What's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and I've been working hard for the past few days trying to put together a lead capture page that fits my brand, fit the message I'm trying to put out there. Because Exitus Elite do come with its own lead capture page, do come with its own autoresponder and everything, but I needed to fit me, right? I needed to fit more of the message I'm trying to put out there. So this is the lead capture page I created using AI, linking the page inside of Exodus Elite along with the page that I created, and I put them together, and then had ChatGPT fixed everything for me. Uh, if I can't explain how I did it, I was surprised that it worked for me, but there it is. But now that I'm working through it, I can give a little advice on how to get that done. So this is the lead capture page I created. Fits more me, less of the typical marketing language. This is the message I want to put out there. So that's what it is. So also, I worked on my team bonus page. People partner with me at the G1000, G2000. Get 250 clicks, starter clicks, 500 clicks at the G2000, 250 at the G1000, 500 at the G2000. You're going to get part of our team private chat for those members. Now, this traffic is, read this information to be clear of what you're getting. Team private chat, and here are links that would get you additional bonus and training once you become part of the team. And also, you're going to get a t-shirt. Email me your full name, your t-shirt size, and your complete address so I can make sure you get that t-shirt sent to you. So just to show you one of them, you click here and it opens up to my 10 Exitus Elite promotional prompts. And these are 10 prompts. Here's one of them. 10 prompts to help you promote your Exitus Elite business. So this is what I've been working on for a little while now, and I got it complete. I'm very happy with it. So going through these and creating these, I can actually give you some advice that if you have a blog using WordPress, or just simply use ChatGPT yourself. But if you're brand new, if you're worried about having your own pages, if you want to use this as a resource, or if you want to give this away. And as far as giving away, what I mean is this part. When you click there, it's going to take you to the actual link, so you can create an email or a page yourself, attach those links to them, and then you can give them away to your team. So you're free to give these bonuses away. The traffic package is exclusive to my team members, and the t-shirt is exclusive to my team members. But these team resources, you can take the links, share them with your team to have bonuses for when people join you. But I've been putting in the work. My wife also been putting in the work. As you can see right here on the screen in the video, TPC. Got my TPC shirt on. Yeah, my wife put that together for me. Also got a hat that's sitting over there, got TPC across of it, across the hat. So if you're interested in checking out Exitus Elite, just understand we get paid 100% commission. What it say right here on the screen. We can make anywhere between $100 to $2,000 for the qualifying sale, depending on your level. You choose the level you want to come in at. The higher your level, the higher the level you choose, all the lower levels come with it. If you come in at a lower level, you want to upgrade, you only pay the difference from level to level in the admin fee and also in the product package. If you don't like to close your own sales, we have an optional sales team. I'll leave mine on. Even though I'm available to talk to people and close a sale, if you have any questions, you can call me, or you can call the call center. That number, once you activate it, will be on your sales page. So let me show you that. On the sales page, here's a presentation. It's a 4-minute presentation that they can watch, and they can click here to get started. But if they have questions, they can contact you or contact me or you, depending on if you bring somebody in, but you understand what I'm saying. And that's the Exitus call center that your prospects, or you can call that call center, get your questions answered, and they will get you started or get your person started, and we earn 80% commission using the call center. Our own sales, we keep 100%. Call center, 80%, the company get 20%, which I think is absolutely fair. Paul Stevenson, which is the owner of Exitus Elite, first said 50-50. But the top owner we have, always looking out for the members, he said, okay, you guys are going to get 80% and we're going to keep 20%, which I think is fair. Like right now I'm doing this video. This video is going to work for me 24/7, on and on and on, from days, months, and year to come. So as I'm sleeping, I might be at work, I might be out with my family, someone call the call center, get started, I earn a commission. and I got 80% of the work, even though I didn't do 80% of the work, which is beneficial. We make anywhere between $100 to $2,000. Here's admin fees. Minimum $49 for the admin, $100 for the package. So $149 gets your foot in the door. I would highly suggest at least come in there. If you're not ready for the higher levels, at least get started there. Don't let not having $1,300 stop you from at least getting inside, because you're only paying the difference from level to level. At least get your foot in the door so you can become part, because you don't want to pass on potential $100 just because you can't make that first 1,000, if that makes sense. So I don't want to keep this video too long. Just want to show you what I've been working on and show you the team bonuses that you're going to get. And you can also give these away. So my name is Michael Petty. I look forward to speaking with you. See you in the next video.